The unboxing experience immediately shows that WELOCK understands its audience. Everything inside the package is neatly organized, well protected, and designed to make installation approachable even for first-time users. The U81 package includes the smart cylinder, backup keys, RFID cards, mounting hardware, extension components, decorative covers, tools, and accessories for different door configurations. Build quality feels noticeably more premium than many generic smart locks on the market, with a clean, matte black finish, solid metal construction, and sturdy cylinder assembly that inspires confidence from the first interaction. Even the smaller accessories feel carefully prepared rather than cheaply included. Visually, the WELOCK U81 adopts a clean and compact industrial design that feels modern without overpowering existing door hardware. The slim keypad area integrates naturally into most entrances, while the physical tactile buttons prove far more practical than touch-sensitive controls, especially with wet hands, gloves, or cold weather use. The fingerprint sensor placement feels natural, and unlocking remains impressively fast and responsive in daily operation. Build quality also inspires confidence, with weather-resistant construction suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Most importantly, WELOCK still includes physical backup keys, preserving reliable emergency access and adding valuable peace of mind for long-term ownership. The U81 runs on 4 AAA batteries, and WELOCK appears to have optimized power management well for daily use. Authentication remains fast, while power consumption stays low, and the lock provides low battery warnings before replacement becomes necessary. Even if the batteries fully deplete, the physical backup keys ensure continued access, adding an important layer of reliability for long-term use. One of the WELOCK U81's biggest strengths is its approachable installation process. Instead of replacing the entire lock mechanism or requiring additional drilling, the U81 simply replaces the existing Euro cylinder. Installation is straightforward. Remove the old cylinder, insert the WELOCK unit, and secure it using the included hardware and Allen key. The retrofit-friendly design is especially useful for renters and Airbnb hosts, while the overall setup feels simple enough even for users without prior smart home experience. The WELOCK Smart Lock U81 succeeds by focusing on real-world convenience rather than flashy smart home trends. Its combination of fast fingerprint unlocking, flexible access management, weather-resistant construction, and easy installation creates a smart lock that feels practical and reliable for everyday use. The overall experience remains impressively balanced. The hardware feels solid, the app is functional and user-friendly, and the retrofit design makes it ideal for homes, apartments, Airbnb properties, offices, and rental spaces looking to modernize access without replacing entire door systems.